Welcome, Rhonda here with Foods 101. Today I'm going to show you how to make these blueberry biscuits with a drizzle of lemon glaze. The ingredients you're going to need is 2 cups of all-purpose flour, 3/4 of a cup of whole buttermilk, 1/2 cup of granulated sugar, 2 teaspoons of baking powder, 1/2 teaspoon of baking soda, 1/4 teaspoon of salt, 1 egg at room temperature, 1/4 cup of melted butter, and the star of this recipe is 1 cup of fresh blueberries. That lemon drizzle just calls for 1/2 cup of powdered sugar and 1 tablespoon of fresh lemon juice. Make sure you use fresh lemon because it will make all the difference in flavor. Let me show you how we're going to get these together. In a large bowl, I'm adding my 2 cups of flour, the salt, baking soda, and baking powder. Give these 4 ingredients a lovely little whisking. Add the sugar and whisk this in until it's well blended. Sit this off to the side. In a medium bowl, I'm adding that 1 egg with the buttermilk and that butter. Whisk these 3 ingredients until they're well blended. Back with those dry ingredients, we're going to make a little well here in the center. Add the buttermilk butter mixture. We're going to bring the flour into the center, just barely mixing the dry mixture with the wet mixture until it comes together, and that's looking absolutely perfect. The ideal is you don't want to over mix your batter here. It's getting there. You just have to work with it for a little bit. Make sure you get the sides of your bowl there. Now we're going to add those fresh blueberries. Now, if you're asking, can I use frozen blueberries? You may. Be gentle and fold in your blueberries. Start from the side of your bowl. And these are ready to drop onto a baking pan. I've lined a 12 by 18 inch baking pan with parchment paper. Parchment paper is not necessary, but I love it because it keeps the bottom of these blueberry biscuits from sticking and makes them golden brown. Back with our dough, I'm using a large spoon. You're going to need about 1/3 cup of dough. Put it right here on your baking dish. You want to keep about 1 inch in between, and I like to make sure to put a blueberry there on top so you can really see it once they're baked. Off to a 400-degree Fahrenheit preheated oven on the middle rack for the next 15 to 18 minutes. Use your timer and no peeking. Here's these lovely golden brown blueberry biscuits. After cooling on their pan for about 5 minutes, we're going to transport them over here onto a cooling rack so they can cool completely. And they smell magnificent. Look at that. Oh yeah, I'm telling you, they're gonna be fantastic. Blueberry biscuits have cooled. It's time to mix that glaze together. I'm going to pour the lemon juice right into the powdered sugar with the whisk. We're going to gently give it a lovely little stirring. Oops, and I think I got some powdered sugar over there on my blueberry biscuit, but that's okay. Now this is optional. You don't need to add this to your blueberry biscuits, or if you just want to add it to a few, you may. I love to drizzle mine back and forth, starting over here at the corner, and we'll just go back and forth. Try to get it there in the center of your blueberry so it can just kind of set up and roll down the sides of your blueberry biscuit. I'm gonna dig into one of these, show you what it's like. Look at those blueberries and that lemon glaze. Let's see what it looks like on the, oh, you are not gonna get a better blueberry biscuit than this. Gotta give it a try. Wow. Look how nice and moist that blueberry, that hint of lemon in that glaze, y'all. It puts it over the top. Not too sweet, kind of between a biscuit and a scone, and bursting with blueberries. Fresh, juicy, delicious blueberries. Be sure to share. I'm Deronda with Foods 101. Leave me a comment, give me thumbs up, hit that notification bell to be the first to get my new YouTube food videos. Thanks a million for watching, and I'll catch you lovely people later.